Hi guys, my name's Dan Crawford and I'm the founder and chief strategy officer here at Axial 3D. So 3D printing in medicine has shown to have huge benefits to healthcare facilities, making surgeries faster for surgeons, cheaper for hospitals, but more importantly, safer for patients. And Axial 3D is making 3D printing in medicine completely routine by transforming everything traditionally 2D in medicine, like CT and MRI scans, into physical 3D printed models that are much easier to conceptualize. So during the pandemic, Axial 3D has been able to repurpose our internal resources to manufacture critical care items for healthcare facilities in their fight against COVID-19. These rapidly manufactured devices included parts for ventilators, personal protection equipment like face shields, and even therapeutics like COVID test swabs that are now being used all around the world. And 3D printing in medicine has been around for over 30 years. And with the recent changes in 3D printing space, meaning the technology is much more affordable, it should be much more widely adopted. However, the process in which surgeons get access to 3D printing requires a very, very specific skill set and time, something surgeons and clinicians just don't have. So Axial 3D are creating solutions for hospitals based on machine learning that mean that any surgeon can gain access to this technology for their patients, with our overall ambition to allow every hospital globally to get access to the amazing potential that 3D printing can have and providing care to their patients and ultimately increasing the global standard of patient care as a result of using the technology that Axial 3D are actually creating.